Continuing with the Saja boys, romance. So the guy with the love heart hair. Yeah. Let's draw this landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So it's from Soda Pop. He's kind of just looking forward. Such a catchy song, Soda Pop. Let's start with his eyes. So center point of my page about here. We'll come up over to the right hand side. And big eyelashes, but he's kind of like, you know, smoldering, squinted, kind of thin eyes. So we'll go diagonal. Very small line. And then we will bring it across the top. Kind of flat-ish. Right, but we want to like spike it up on the end for the eyelashes. Here. And then maybe we'll go down. It gets kind of thinner down here. So very thin then. All right, spiky sort of on that end. And they all have like big brown eyes. So his iris is in here. Pretty large. And then his black pupil in here. Just a circle just in the middle, and it's quite large. Big puppy dog eyes. And we'll just color this black. And maybe like a little sort of eyelid line there, and maybe an eyelid line just on top as well. So he's got downturned eyebrows, right? So kind of like up here, right? And it goes down. So kind of like sad eyes, kind of, I love you babe, sad eyes. Okay, like that. Other eye is underneath his hair, but we'll probably draw it all in. So we'll go just across. We'll start again, same diagonal line. So like you're roughly maybe the white of his eye over. The eyes are real big, so it might not be like a full distance of an eye because his eyes are real big. It might be just like 3/4 of his eye, the distance between his two eyes. So it's less than a full eye width, like slightly, because of the proportion exaggeration in the show. We'll just go for his eyelashes again. It's about the same length, but we just want to add some eyelash stuff here. Now his hair kind of covers this corner, so it's kind of up to you how much of this you want to draw in, because it will be kind of cut off a bit. Okay, and then go across again. Very thin up here in the front. Right, and then big brown eyes again. So like here, just close to the tear duct, and then back over here somewhere. And then a big pupil. And we'll just color it black. Soda pop, my soda pop. Okay, and again, sometimes little eyelid line and eyelid line on top again. Every time I see you, every time I need you, my soda pop, my soda pop. Eyebrow downturned this way. And up. I hope I'm allowed to sing that song. I hope it's not like copyright or something. Right, so we do his nose, just like the bridge of his nose kind of comes down here. And maybe like just the tip of it there. And then we do his nostrils, just underneath that. Kind of like joined together there, like a little V. And then the skin at the side. Very small. Might be another side to his nose, maybe there as well, but it's not all drawn in. That's probably all we need to do, really. Okay, so mouth, so lips, you know, lipstick and everything, right? So his mouth is kind of small compared to his head. Okay, so kind of like underneath his tear duct. So we go up, down in the middle a bit, back down and up. So it kind of looks like his mouth is closed a little bit there. Okay. Right, and then his top lip. It's like a stretched out letter M. Okay. Like that, and then his bottom lip. Just there. I might just darken this up to make it look like maybe his mouth is kind of slightly open. So just like adding a bit of a shadow in here maybe. And then there's like a chin line or something here. You're my soda pop, my soda pop. So his face is real long, so his chin is like all the way down here. It's real square. There's a little line on it there as well. Okay, we can see a bit of his jaw, but his hair comes down quite far. So it's just, we just got this gradual curve up to about mouth level maybe. All right, and then, so there's a hair spike in there, but we'll go this way now. And then this curves up a bit more maybe on that side. Do Do, 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 do. Right, so his hair, so your nose and your forehead are about the same size, right? So here to here, we'll bring it up, sort of from here, and then up to there is about where his hair will be. A little V, so this is sort of love heart shape. And then we get a zigzag line just for his hair coming around this way, right? And it's a very defined sort of, yeah, basically like a love heart shape. And then his fringe comes out from here, so we get sort of the inside, I guess, of this first, and this comes down around. And this hits the spike that I said covers a bit of his eye here. Okay. And then goes back this way. And then we go up again and down onto his face again here. Yeah, and then there's like some inside sort of texture lines and stuff on these spikes, right? And then inside his hair, like all here as well. Da, 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 da. Okay, so then a bit of long hair coming down, and you can see some of his earrings and stuff, but we'll get like all this sort of hair, big hair on this guy. Try and get it in now. Goes quite, it's bigger than you think now. Makes his head look huge. I love that they went so over the top with it as well. I think we can see a bit of his earlobe here. It's not, I think there's like a hair spike covering it maybe a bit, so just do that first. And then his earlobe and earring. And then maybe, not sure, maybe that's his jaw or the earring, I'm not sure. Bit of an earring dangling there anyway, and here. And we get the long hair spikes, so all hanging down here. Kind of become his neck as well. Do, 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 do. Like kind of his neckline. Little textures and stuff on all these too. Just following the shape of his head, you know. There. Yellow jacket. So what else? Another little spike here. And then on his shoulder, going that way. I think we can see neck muscles then. Yeah, and then his shoulder just comes out this way. Oh, one more hair spike. Some texture on them as well. So shoulder there, And then shoulder out here. And then his collar, kind of a zigzag thing. And then going that way. And then there. And the love heart, right, just hanging down here. You can do this as big as you want. Maybe that's a good size. It's just attached to a chain. All right. Hope it's helpful. Romance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.